Alright y'all, it's Bales with Southern For Real. Saturday in the South, and you know how it is. It's one of those days where you just feel like playing vacation. So Key West is one of our very favorite places in the world. We can't get down there right now, but we're looking forward to getting back just as soon as we can. And over the years we've developed a very favorite Key West cocktail, and that's the notorious Painkiller. So if you're not familiar with it, we're going to show you how to mix one up. The original is called the Pusser's Painkiller, and it's made with Pusser's rum. This is a product that's made in the UK. And what we're going to use instead is a product that's made right here in the US, and specifically in Key West, and that is Pilar's rum, and it's made in affiliation with the Hemingway family. So that's what we're using. You know, like everything, we have our own little spin we like to put on this. Alright, so we're starting out with 16 ounces of pineapple juice. We're just using our measuring cup here to make things nice and easy. So we're going in with 16 ounces of that, and next we're going to do 6 ounces of the Pilar Blonde rum. We have no affiliation with these folks, we just love their product. So use your favorite rum. And now we're going to do 5 ounces of cream of coconut. And if you're not used to working with this product, you may find that you have to heat the can a little bit to liquefy it. Alright. And lastly, we've got 3 ounces of orange juice going in. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to give all of that a whisk. So that it's all combined. And we're not done yet, folks. This is not a cocktail for the faint of heart, but we are going to go ahead and put it in the freezer, let it cool down, and we'll be right back with you. Alright, so like all the cocktails we enjoy around here, we're going to be making these in our Yeti tumblers today. We affectionately refer to these as the Devil's Cups, but that's a story for another day, y'all. So first we need to get our ice cubes. We like to use these large square cocktail cubes. They'll get things nice and cold without providing enough surface area to water down your drink. That is not the point, y'all. And we've got our Bales style Painkiller mix here that we've had chilling down in the freezer. It's nice and cool. So that we're just going to pour that over the top of these cubes. And you want to leave a little extra room on top. Remember, we're playing vacation. You can't have a cocktail on vacation without adding a floater. At least if you have any self-respect. So on top of that, we're just going to add a shot of Pilar's dark rum to each. Very precise, y'all. Remember, if it ain't strong enough, just add a little more. And lastly, we're just going to grate a little fresh nutmeg over the top. Just a little is all you need. It's really just to add a little bit of spice. And that's it, y'all. So we've knocked out the Bailey's Painkillers for you today. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. You know, every once in a while it's fun to live by that old adage. You can't drink all day if you don't start in the morning. So I'm going to go ahead and try a sip. That is tropical, fruity in the best way possible, strong, and delicious. And I'm telling you what, if you can't find your way into a little afternoon delight after a couple of those, it's time to move out, buddy.